Hello guys, this is Ipsita, and in this video I would like to thank Madam Glam for collaborating with me and sending me this lovely 48-watt LED lamp and this box of gel polishes and a cuticle oil. Now to start with, see the packaging. Everything is so stylish. Just take a look at this box. It is black with golden details. All Madam Glam products are vegan, certified by vegan.org, cruelty free, 21 formula and palm oil free, and also they have 800 shades available and also HEMA free. I was so excited upon receiving this package that I have already opened it, and oh my god, take a look at the inside of the box. It is not that simple. They have that cute pink cushion on the top and also at the bottom of the box, so the products won't get damaged as they get delivered to you. Now what do we see inside the box? A cuticle oil, a builder in the bottle, and there are few gel polishes. Actually, let me see this. It is very thick and wow, the color is so lovely. I will do a video on this, particularly on that. Now there are few gel polishes. This is Ego. This color is Austrian Wonder. This is a beautiful blue one and its name is Sky's the Limit. And this color is named as Food Coma. I have also a base coat and a top coat, and Madam Glam polishes always cure within 30 seconds in a LED lamp and 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Madam Glam offers a VIP program where you can become a member for $29 per month and enjoy amazing perks such as 50% off discount, access to exclusive private sales, shop the new collection before the regular customers, enjoy free shipping and returns. You can also pause or cancel the VIP membership at any time. Now more information about the program as well as the links to the products and the discount code will be given in the description box. These gel polishes have swatches on the top of the bottle so that you can see their actual colors. This is my favorite color. The sky is the limit. Just see the beautiful swatch. Oh my god, how shiny this is. Now I'm going to do a video particularly on this particular color. In this video, we are going to do some nails. Now I have taken the gel nails. These are gel nails. These are different from the ABS plastic. These are made out of gel. And Shields Professional. I have taken it from the Shields Professional. Now it is available in India and in other countries. You can use whatever you want. Now let me size my the nails accordingly. Now these are the nail tips which I have chosen for my fingers, for my nails. Now I will take a diamond bit file and will keep it around 4 to 5000 RPM and will etch the inner side. As you know that if you etch the inner side of the nail, then it will sit properly on your nail bed. Otherwise, it will pop off. Okay, before let me tell you, I am going to pop off these nails. But if you want to keep the nails, then you have to push the cuticle, then etch the nails, rub it off with alcohol to remove the dust. Then apply dehydrator, then apply primer. After that you apply base gel and then you go for the enhancement. But since I'm going to pop this off, so I have applied only the peel off base coat, and together with that, now the procedure which I am doing, you can follow up all these processes, but before that you have to follow the prepping process. I'm using the base coat from Madam Glam. Now remember, when you are applying the gel and you are applying it on your nails, give a little pressure so that no bubbles are formed. What will happen if a bubble is formed? If a bubble is formed, then your nails can get lifted anytime. So place it at the cuticle, 45 degree, let all the gel cover your nail bed and then flash cure it. Now after flash curing these nails, these are not completely secured. So I have to give a full 60 seconds of cure under the LED lamp. Now my nails are completely secured. So now I'm going to etch this. There is a ridge, you see a ridge. So I'm going to file it accordingly so that my nails are flashed with the cuticle area. For that, you can take a hand file also. I'm taking an e-file and will use a sanding band and will keep it around 4 to 5 RPM and will go around the cuticles. Now you have to buff the surface of the nails because these are all shiny, and on shiny surface we cannot apply gel polish because it needs something to adhere to, it needs something to catch upon. Okay, so you can use a sanding band like I am doing here. Otherwise you can use a hand file, that also I will show you. I'll take a 180 hand file, 180 grid hand file, and we'll just file off the shiny, the shine. I will file off only the shine. I'm not going to file the nail. Now another thing you can do, you can take a buffer. There is a soft side and there is a rough side. You take the rough side and you buff. This will also help you. So I have shown you 3 ways to remove the shine from the nail, but I am going back to my e-file only because it does the job very fast. Now after buffing your nails, always remove the dust with some isopropyl alcohol or any swipe if you have, because otherwise while you are applying the gel polish, you will find dust inside it. So always remove the dust before applying the gel polish. Now my technique of applying gel polish is a little different. Maybe not a little different, many people may use it. So what I am going to do is, I will first use the base coat. so that when I'm going to apply the gel polish, it will get a smoother surface to apply on. It will become more smooth. Now I am taking the gel polish Food Coma. You can see, yeah, Food Coma. This color, it's lovely color, and I will leave all the names of the gel polishes that I have used today, I have swatched today, in the description. And together with that, I'm going to leave the coupon code that I have, where you can save a little money, and you can use it in the link. I will give the link also, and you can save a little amount if you use my code, which I will be leaving again in the description box. These colors are very creamy and it applies like butter. It doesn't require 2 coats also, but I am going to apply 2 coats. Hope you can see. Yes. It is self-leveling also. See, there extra is coming out. Better remove it. Before going inside the lamp, make it sure that you remove all these things. Here also I have some extra. Let me give it a flash cure. This one is self-leveling a lot, so for this nail only I will give a flash cure. Again I am saying apply in thin coats to avoid wrinkle. Now I will give this for a cure of 30 seconds. Now I will go for another coat. So I'm using Madam Glam's top coat. Now my nails are completely cured. Now I'm going to apply some cuticle oil. It is from Madam Glam again, as I showed you before, and it is named as Elixir. Sorry. But always apply cuticle oil after you take out from the lamp and give at least 2 minutes to cool it down. Otherwise, you will lose the shine. So you can see such beautiful color this is. This nude color is really beautiful. And to say about all these things, I mean the Madam Glam set which they sent me with all, oh, it's not coming in the frame, yeah. So this is the color that I applied. It is food coma, you can see, and all these colors I will link it down with the link with the Madam Glam's. Why I'm fumbling? That's also I'm telling in a wrong English. Why I'm fumbling? So I will leave all this in the description, and together with that, let me tell you, this is a builder in a bottle. I'm going to do another video with this, exclusively with this, and the top coat and the base coat is really awesome. This is the base coat and this is the top coat. You can see the shine, and the cuticle oil is really good. So thank you, Madam Glam, to partnership with me in this video, and to all of you folks, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, chalo, ab dekha habe.